Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Cashmere. This is an omni-chain project. This is a possible airdrop, and layerzero is part of the Cashmere partners. Also, this is a project from the Binance Labs, so this is 100% genuine and they are in partner with them from the incubator. So this is a very big important project to follow. And the airdrop, I would say, is 80% guaranteed, and I'm going to explain you why at the end of the video. And all the step-by-steps, like you know in my videos, we cover a little bit about what the project is, and then I show you in my video step-by-step how you can apply to this airdrop. Even if you don't know anything of crypto, you are going to be able to apply to this airdrop and know exactly what to do. So before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi guys, well, Cashmere Labs is a possible airdrop, and this is an omni-chain based project that adds layers to these technologies and optimizes capital efficiency in addition to decreasing associated risk by letting users be able to swap any single-sided assets between any chain without breaching, while maintaining omni-chain swap, which allows for asset exchange between 7 different chains due to interoperability cross-chain messaging protocol. Cashmere is a unique application that has both a stable swap and an asset aggregator in one application at the same time. Stable swap uses Cashmere's own liquidity directly and becomes a layer 2 solution. On the other hand, the aggregator uses all the liquidity pools in any network and offers the lowest slippage to the user. Cashmere Labs, featuring MEB protected cross-chain swaps on layerzero LA, and they are in testnet phase right now. They have confirmed that 1% of the supply will be distributed to the community, so we basically can say that the airdrop is confirmed. And the project is backed by Binance Labs, Linea, Polygon, layerzero, also partnered with Galxe and many others. So this could be a very important project, and like you know, I cover daily videos about airdrops and opportunities to make money and get free tokens in the crypto space. And you know that I have been covering Zeta chain, so if you didn't saw Zeta chain videos, you can go to my website and search for Zeta chain, and you can click the link that is appearing right now up there. So Cashmere for me is very similar what Zeta chain is wanting to do, but at this point I think Zeta chain should be already launched, has been heard from a lot, and maybe this project Cashmere could get a very big pump if they launch before Zeta chain. And this is not a small project, guys. More than 100 followers here on Twitter. A very interesting information they posted. The website Cashmere.exchange doesn't have too much here, only the white paper and the different links for the social media and the information that you may want to read. And you can launch the application here, which is something that we are going to cover. And like I mentioned before, they have 6 networks that you can use to swap from one to another. So this is very, very cool. And eventually Metis DAO, another layer 2, is going to be here too. So we are going to cover that. Also the information on how to participate on the airdrop and the most important comments about the testnet and all the things that you need to do in order to get this airdrop. So this is not so easy, there's a lot to do. So let's go directly to the step-by-step on how you can get this Cashmere Labs airdrop. The step 1, guys, and the step 2, like always in my videos, is follow them on Twitter and Discord. This time I will add follow them also on Telegram. Why is that? It's only because a small detail that I saw on the documentation where they say here how to participate. They mention check the testnet, see the documentations, and follow Discord, Telegram, and Twitter. So this link, you are going to find it in my post, which is the first link in the description. So this time you should also follow them in the Telegram to have news and everything. Just because it says here, I think you don't want to miss an airdrop just because you didn't follow the Telegram. So step 1 and 2, follow the Twitter, Discord, and the Telegram. Step 3, we need to get the testnets from all these chains. We are going to get Garlic, Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, BNB, and Avalanche testnet. So go to chainlist.org. Here you need to connect your wallet. This is completely safe. chainlist.org is part of the DeFi JAMA ecosystem. After you are here, you need to click this button, include testnet, and here we are going to start adding the networks. So you look for Goerli. This one is the one that you have to add. This is the Goerli Ethereum testnet. You also want the Optimism Goerli testnet. You also want the Arbitrum Goerli testnet. So basically there you can add those three. We search for Avalanche and you have here the Avalanche Fushi testnet. This is the official testnet from Avalanche. So you add this to your MetaMask. You search for Binance and you have here the mainnet and you have also the Binance Smart Chain testnet. So you add that to your MetaMask. You just need to click approve the list and then you are going to be able to switch to that network. And finally you search for Polygon, and the testnet for Polygon right now, guys, is the Mumbai. It's called Mumbai, so you just click add MetaMask and you're going to be able to move it there. So step 3 and step 4 in this case, you need to add all these different testnet because we are going to do swaps between them. Step 5 is that we need tokens for all these testnets in order to be able to swap and also to pay transactions. To do that, go to this faucet link on QuickNode, and there are many other links that you can use to get free tokens, Alchemy too. So you can click here to connect your MetaMask. After you are connected here, you need to select your chain. So in this case, let's say that I want first Arbitrum tokens. I'm going to select Goerli. You can see the address appearing there, so I will click on continue. And here, if you tweet something here, you are going to receive 0.05, but you are not forced and you are going to receive 0.02. So in this case, I'm going to click this and you can see transaction completed and they send me already the 0.02. I go to Arbitrum Goerli and I already have some, but now I have 0.02 also, which is called here Agor. So this is your faucet tokens. So now you need to go again to this web page, to the faucet, connect your wallet again. This time we are going to select Avalanche and we are going to select Fushi. We click on continue. Again, 0.02 AVAX if you tweet, if not 0.01. And you can see they send the transaction complete. So here you are able to do and get some tokens from all these chains. So repeat this with all your chains until you get some tokens on each of the networks. So that is already point 5 and 6. So we go to the QuickNode faucet, and step 6 is we request all these different faucet tokens. Step 7, we are going to connect the wallet and swap some tokens on the blockchain for the testnet of Cashmere. So you go to the link here, or from the website you click on launch app. You are going to see this. So we are going to connect here using your MetaMask wallet. Accept, connect. You are going to need to verify your account first, so confirm a message that you are going to see on your MetaMask. So click here on send message. If you don't see that, just refresh the page and you are going to see it. Now sign the message and you are going to be connected. Right now I'm in the wrong network. I'm going to go to, for example, Arbitrum Goerli, and I want to send Ethereum. So I will go here and I will connect to Arbitrum Goerli. Now I am connected and I'm going to send this to Polygon Mumbai for Matic. So I will click 0.02. Let's see if we can send that. That seems okay, and seems that that is equivalent to 3.68 Matic tokens here. So now I will click on swap. Confirm and sign the request and confirm the swap. Here you can see that I need Agor token, which is the Ethereum on Goerli of the Arbitrum. So I need to pay gas and confirm that, and you can see the transaction is in progress. This of course could take some minutes, usually takes 4 minutes, it says here. So now we need to wait until this is finished and you are already using the testnet. I would recommend you to do this with a couple of different blockchains and transactions. Now guys, we go to step 8. We already finished with the testnet at this point. We go to step 8, which is we have an NFT, which is the testnet early adopter of Cashmere Labs. You need to pay some transaction for the mint. It costs 0.001 Ethereum, which is approximately $2 and some gas fee. So in order to do that, you can go to this link of Zora. Here you need to connect your wallet, and you need to do it with your Ethereum mainnet. So go there, connect your wallet. After you are connected, you can click here on mint. There are still 5 days and 10 hours until this is finished. After that, probably, if you are seeing this video and you are not able to do this anymore, you probably are going to find this in OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace, so check on that. But right now you still can mint it, so click there on mint and click on mint. You are going to be able to mint it. Right now you can see I have $6.59 on gas fee on Ethereum mainnet, so it's really cheap at this point. And with the mint process, I'm going to spend almost $10. So right now for me, this is $10. I'm just going to do it. And normally I am not so fancy to mint all these NFTs, but in this case, guys, you can see successfully I already mint one of the Cashmere Testnet early adopters. So normally I'm not fancy on doing that, guys, but it's mentioned in many places of the Cashmere documentation and all that. So I think maybe having this NFT could be some of the triggers to have the airdrop for this. So I think in this particular case, step 8, you may want to do it if you want to spend those $10. If not, continue with the other steps. Remember, all these steps doesn't mean they are a must or mandatory. I just collect all the information that I have and I review everything that may give you the airdrop. So nothing is confirmed here, but I want to cover as much as possible so you don't miss the airdrop because you didn't do something. Now, step 9, you can go to the Galxe and check if you have active NFTs to claim. If they ended, you may want to buy it in OpenSea or another marketplace. In this case, you go to the Galxe link, and here you can see that it's a Cashmere Labs testnet early adopter also, and this already ended. So after some time, you may see this in OpenSea or another places. And I think this is not the same one that you have here on Zora, so maybe worth it to see if you can get it from any of the marketplaces. But this ended the 30th of May. It was recently, guys. I am just covering this, but you may get this NFT in another place, and doesn't mean that because you don't have this one, you are not going to get the airdrop. This is more following the social media, so I think the most important one in this case is the one that is here on Zora. Now, step 10, you go to layer 3 quest. There are some complete quiz to do. So in order to do that, you go to that link and you can see there's an introduction to Cashmere, a Cashmere trivia. Here you need to connect your wallet, of course. You need to get testnet native tokens. We already did that. You need to do some cross-chain swap on Cashmere. We already did that. And you need to mint the Cashmere Labs early adopter, which is the one on Zora. And you can share this quest. So after you do that, you get 200 experience points on reward. So maybe layer 3 here is worth it to do it. And at this point, you already did all this. So you basically need to go in all the tasks. Now step 11, guys, is there are a couple of tasks in Zealy. This time are not many, so don't worry this time. You can see you have some community, which is showing Telegram announcement, Twitter. You have some testnet stuff to do and some invites in Discord. So it's very, very little stuff compared with another projects. And to finalize, guys, you have step 12, which is that you can complete tasks and get roles from guild on Discord. In order to do that, you go to the link there. You join to the guild roles. First, you need to connect your wallet. Be a member here. So this is the first one, is just connect your wallet. Follow them on Twitter. Get your Cashmere Labs testnet early adopter. This is the one that ended, but maybe you can buy it, this one. Here is to put this on your Twitter username, and here is the Zora NFT. So after you finish all these 5 tasks, you can get all your roles. Of course, you can get roles, no need to be the 5 at once, you can do a couple of them. So the only one that we are missing right now is the one of the testnet early adopter on Galxe, but I think we are going to be able to buy it soon. And guys, that is all for this. I would recommend you again check the Telegram announcement and be active on Discord so you don't miss any news. But I think with that we already covered in detail all that you need to do for Cashmere Labs airdrop. This is, from my perspective, a big airdrop. You are going to see that they are going to give a 1% of the total supply, and you can see here also that why participate. This is an excellent opportunity to learn more about Cashmere Labs, the code-based structure, and become an early adopter with access to various benefits. So the airdrop is in the air, guys, for this, and I think coming from Binance Labs is going to be important. You can see that the platform is available for Ethereum, BNB, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom Base, Polygon CKIAVM, Linear Testnet, and Metis DAO. Guys, we did airdrops on all these. I have an airdrop in my video section for Base. I have another video for Polygon CKIAVM and for Linear too. So go and check those videos here on my video section. You can just search any project and you're going to see an airdrop video from my part. And guys, if it's your first time here, remember that I have 2 subscriptions. One is a private Discord where we manage a very high level of information about airdrops that I cannot cover here. Also BRC20, the Dogecoin ecosystem now, and Litecoin, all the new ecosystem that we are following there in detail. We also cover distribution of these airdrops because maybe you apply now but you are going to cash out in 6 months and you forget about that. So in my Discord we have always eyes on all the distributions so you don't miss any of those. Also I do giveaways on my Discord of money, directly money from my followers on the Discord. So you pay now, but maybe you recover that with my giveaway. And many other things, guys, crypto portfolios, and we help each other a lot. We follow in the social media there. So if that is needed for an airdrop, we do it in my Discord. So many things in my Discord, guys. And the tutorial that you just saw here, the step-by-step that we just covered, you are going to find it in my application. I launched an app for register and organize your airdrops. This has been saving me a lot of time and money, and you can apply to all my airdrops directly in my app, and also you can add airdrops that you saw in another sources, so you can add your custom airdrops. You are not restricted to my ecosystem, so my app is going to help you a lot if you are following airdrops. And you have the options to add multiple wallets, so it's really a game changer if you are an airdrop hunter. And here you can see 2 videos on how my app works. Guys, that will be all for this video of Cashmere, the Omnichain on layerzero and powered by Binance Labs too. So this could be a very big important project. They have millions on funding, but I couldn't find exactly the amount of funding that they have. But this is not a small project for sure, and they have a lot of partnership behind them. So maybe this airdrop could really worth it. So that would be all for this video, guys. Remember to follow me and like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me in my Twitter at CryptoState. In Twitter I post things only that are in my Twitter. You are not going to find that in any other places. So follow me at CryptoState in Twitter, and that will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.